Read me the instruction first. Okay, so all they asking you is this. Hey, is 0 is the solution of this compound inequality. Why do you think we call it a compound? Yeah, because what you see there is you got -3 is less than or equal to 5x plus 7, and that is less than 2. So you got two separate pieces on left and right, and that's why we call it is a compound inequalities. Okay, the answers are already there for you. The answers are already there for you. But let's pretend that we didn't see the answer, okay? I know, like what? How can you pretend for something that is there? All right, so just pretend it's not there. All right, well, I can tell you right now, the best way to do for this problem, again, you don't need to go solve it or anything. They ask you to, all you have to do is take the solution that they gave you, okay, and determine whether 0 is a solution or not. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write -3 less than or equal to 5 times. So what do you think I'm going to plug in? 0 for the input for the x, okay, plus 7 less than 2. Okay, so now let's go and see. All right, -3, leave the -3 alone. Nothing I can do to that unless you want to move things around, but we don't want to do that yet. 5 times 0, 0. 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. And what you have left over here? Less than 2. Okay, Carlos, can you read me this statement? Okay, can you tell me what you just read? Is there something wrong there or no? Yeah, what's wrong with this statement? So the statement is only true at the first part. This part is true. -3 is less than or equal to 7. That is true. Right, but here's the problem. The second part of this inequality is not true. So the answer is what? No. There you go. Okay? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Good. All right, you can go ahead and work on 2, 3, 4, and 5. The answer is already there. You just need to do what? What is it? Plug it in and check to make sure it's no, okay, or is yes. Go ahead. So may Jemima, I suggest when you see a problem like this, just draw a line between them. There's two separate things. Does that make sense or no? Okay, right? Draw a line separate between them. This or this. So it's two separate inequalities. Okay, go ahead. What did you do? So replace the a with -1. Uh-huh. And what did you get? -3. Uh-huh. Keep talking. I'm listening. Uh, 4. Yeah. Keep going. Keep talking. You got 4 is greater than or equal to what? Okay. Is this statement is a true statement? Yes or no? No. Then again, if it's no, then you just X it out. Put an X through it so that you know it's false. So that when you go back later, it's easy to keep track of your work. So this is no. It's not true. Okay. Let's go to the second part of this inequality, of this compound inequality. So you got -2 times -1, minus 4, and we want to know whether it's greater than or equal to what? 1. Okay, go ahead, complete the work. 2, and then 2 minus -2 is -2 greater than or equal to 1. This is also no, so I circled this one, and I know it's also no. So what do I determine now? The answer is no. Okay, good. Problem first, please. Number 3. Good job. Okay, so what I'm saying earlier, this Naple, you can distribute the 3 to the x plus 1 if you want to, but you don't need to distribute because you already know what x is. When you solve for equation and you don't know what x is, then yeah, you have to distribute to get x by itself. But in this case, they already gave you the x. So what am I going to do to the -2, Cherish? Okay, so go ahead and read me the whole inequalities. Uh-huh. Okay, so instead of taking more step, can you just hold on? Can you go ahead and wrap this up for me? Mental math. -2 plus 1. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That is, and then you have to bring down the -6. So can you read me this compound inequalities right here? Stop it right there. Is it true or false? It is true. And then what else? Uh-huh. Is -3 less than or equal to -9? Yes. So this is an example of an and that the values are between -6 and 9. So anything between -6 and 9 works. What's up? All right, go ahead, take the pass with you.